Hello, my students. I am very happy today because we continue with our classes. And I have a surprise for you. Yes, I have a surprise. I have two new students. Yes, no one. Two new students. They are very intelligent and very good people, okay? The names are Mr. Samir Arayanes. Hello, hello, and hello. Very good. Clap your hands. Woo. Okay, Sammy, don't worry. Relax, relax. And with you, Mr. Black, Black, come here. Black, say hello. Hello. Ah, teacher, teacher, teacher. Come here, Black. Okay, teacher. What is the activity for today? Okay, you need first you copy in your, I'm so sorry, copy in your notebook, please, the date. Okay, me, teacher, me. Okay, you. I can do it that. Okay, topic, top, one Oh, like yes, yes, because I go to camping. Okay, very good. Performance by vocabulary. Okay, finish, quickly. Right. Sammy, please. Excuse me, student, excuse me. Sammy. Okay, I'm sorry. Continue. Continue, mister. The idea is that please you open your book, page 14. Okay, teacher. I go with my book. Are you ready? Okay. It's very big your book. Yes, it's very big my book. Okay, continue with that. Today only we learned and identified the new vocabulary. Go camping, go fishing, have a talent show, okay, and do arts and crafts. Oh, I like that. Yes, and hike up a mountain. This is okay. The idea is that you please in your notebook you here okay write vocabulary in the center with the red color. Yes, or different color. Okay, and draw the meaning of go camping. Hmm? Mister, okay. Go camping. For example, you identify what is the meaning of go camping and make a drawing. Okay. Tú tienes que saber qué significa y aquí al frente vas a hacer un dibujito bien lindo como el que tú sabes hacer. Ah, okay, yes. I like. In my pencil, I draw the meaning. Muy bien, very good. But you continue with go fishing and copy that and in front of the drawing, okay? Oh, yes. And yes, I have If you don't know the meaning, I have a video. Yes, yes, I have a video for you and for my students. Look, in this video, you can watch the activities, yes, and the vocabulary that we learn in this class, okay? Oh, beautiful. Yes. Ahora yo se los voy a enviar a los niños con por medio de Firias, ¿ok? Envío el link. Ah, ok. Uy, mira qué linda. Ay, Sammy. Okay. And this is the activity for today, my students. Okay. And you, Sammy, say bye to the students. Bye. Yes, yes, yes. And Black, where is Black? Black. Oh, I was copied. Okay. Bye, students. Okay. I love you so much. Bye. See you soon. And we stop here. Okay, quickly. Bye bye. Bye. Okay.